Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how to screenshot. So you're going to go on your machine. First, let's find something to screenshot. I've searched for this image of FC24 Haaland on the cover. You're going to go and click on Windows plus Shift plus S. It's going to open the snip tool. You can see you have three options. You have the first one, the second one, and the third one. So the first one is you select a border where you want to screenshot. Once you have selected the border that you want to screenshot, you let go. Once you have found the edges, then click on it. It appears, then you can save it to wherever you want to save it on your machine. So the second way of screenshotting is freehand. You can select the area that you want to screenshot, so you just draw till you have made a complete. You can click on it and save. Then the next one is the window. Actually there are actually four, not three. It selects the window that you are currently on, and once you have selected that, you just click on the window and it gives you a screenshot. So the third and last option is the screen snip. So this one screenshots the whole screen. As you can see, for me I have two screens connected, so that's why you can see the extra screen there. And that's how you screenshot on Windows 10 or 11. See you in the next one.